I did find some round cutouts at the shop, but like, so that one, it fits in there. I don't know if you can see or not, but let's see how this one fits. Oh, can't really do it with my right hand for some reason. I mean, I am left-handed and all, but so this one is a little bit big, so I might just sand the edges down about like 1/8, so then it'll fit in there a little bit better, because you can see it like sticks out. But this guy, he does fit in there. I could just fill it in with a bunch of weld, and I might do that just because, you know, that seems to be maybe the better idea. But so what's up, guys? Today I am going to start welding on the Jetta and like fill in holes. I got this guy in, and he fits pretty good. Just like a little bit of a gap all the way around, so that should be pretty easy to fill in. And then I also got the corner lights done, and they're not done, but they're cut and just sitting in there. So I will, once I get the back trunk emblem done, and then I'll move on to the corner lights, and hopefully this all works out pretty well. see how well my Bondo job worked. I'm not very good at Bondo because I don't do it. That's not like something I'm practicing all the time, but I'm gonna sand away this one first and see how well that works out and how well I did at it. I think I'm gonna have to go back over it like right in here a little bit because I can already see that this part is higher than this part, but it's a start and that's what I got. I don't know. I don't do Bondo, so we'll see how well it turned out. So I'm going to consider this side done. It's pretty smooth. You can't even tell that anything was there. I did start to sand a little bit too much where the metal is, where I welded that in, but that's fine. There's no like gouge or anything right there, so I'm going to leave that and then go on to the next side. But for one coat, I think that looks pretty good. I'll come back and obviously clean all this up, but we're gonna just leave that for now. I'm gonna do the side over here and hopefully it goes just as well. I redid this guy and the other side, and now they're both pretty good. I might sand in there just a little bit because you can see that. But anyways, both sides are good except for maybe that little part. So I went and washed it off, and I am done with the Bondo work for now, at least. Like, I'm not gonna do any more unless I really have to. So, I mean, it's pretty smooth, and I mean, there's a little bit of like waviness, I guess, to it. But I'm gonna just call that good because I don't know. I'm not a Bondo worker, so. Or a body worker, you know, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. And this is good, and the other side is good, so I'm gonna go ahead and like primer it, and then yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for the body work that I can think of. I do still have to figure out what to do with these guys, but I'm gonna just leave that for now. And then maybe I'll get the piece that goes in there or fill it in or something, I don't know. Yeah, thanks for watching, and this video is kind of long, so hopefully you guys like it, and then I can move on to something else.